Hi, my name is Jake. I went to 3 deaf events. The first deaf event I went to was a deaf movie. Since the movie was a deaf movie, the movie was silent. I liked it and thought it was good. In the movie, a group of friends went camping. At night, the friends shared scary stories. The movie was fun to watch. I liked the movie.